Bethe ezinye zezinja ke guys uzonitshela na ukuthi ubani wakwabani. Introduce yourself to our viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and udlalela yiphi team.
Ngegama nguPhuthi wakamafa but eKasi bangibiza ngoBernardo. Then I play for Fire Sniper but now sengijoine iAugusto Palacios.
Okay. So tell us ukuthi yini into ekumotivate ukuthi wena udlala ibhola?
Into engimotivate ukuthi ngidlala ibhola ubhuti wami because of like he was playing football and I like wangi-encourage ukuthi nami ngingayenza lento ngingaphela umoya izinto ezinjalo. Koketso Mafa.
Okay. So kancane nje sishayela pyramid yama teams okay wawadlalela up until la ukhona manje.
Journey yami iqale there was a team called Ebony Tigers. I played there for under 13s. Then I went to ngamuvele Tembisa. Then at Tembisa I was playing for under 17 while I was 10 years. Then from that team I went to Super Gauteng. From Super Gauteng I went to Vets under 13 GDL. Then from lapho yasuka lapho vele mayisengu Augusto Palacios na ku Fire Sniper.
Okay. So go football journey yakho, what is it that one thing that you'd love to be remembered as?
Like ngifuna abantu bangazi like ngishigama ukuthi nami like ngike ngayenza lento. Yeah, and like ngifuna ukuthi like abantu bangithande like ngikhulise neKasi lami Thembisa. Yeah.
Style of player sakho ungasdescribe kanjani?
I play football kaMfundo Vilakazi because he is my role model. Ngibukela kuye.
Three best players wakho?
Bernardo Silva from Manchester City.
Okay.
Then Mfundo Vilakazi. Then Siphelele Mkhuliswa ku Sundowns.
Alright. Kulama player la way 3 wa mentionile ne. Start 1, sell 1 and bench 1.
I will start with Bernardo Silva because sekamdala vele. Then bench Mfundo Vilakazi and play and sell Mkhuliswa.
So mawubhekile wena ne ku South African football yini into ongayishintsha?
Lezi ngihlula le. Angazi ngayisho kanjani.
Awazi.
Okay,
I-pressure yona from ama fans nama coach after a lose, how do you handle it?
Mina like ngiyaziphushela izinto zokuthi abantu bathini ngaphandle. Obvious people will always talk like yeah, so mangazifakele ekhandeni angeke kuye phambili ngento oyenzayo.
Okay. Alright, before sivala word of the day.
Word of the day intwana zaseKasi Thembisa yonke like South Africa yonke asiphusheni madoda sekene izinto eziphuma endleleni because of sifocus nasesikela because isikela is important at the same time vele na kuma career wethu siphusheni sijabulise nabazali.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
Ngiyabonga.